Okay, we'll ease back into the new year with a good old Raiden bootleg. Now, this one was, as you can see, a dead line on that pin. Going under. So, let's fire it on. Quick run. Same as the other board, basically. SSDD, as they say. Well, we're not going to mess around with this one too much. That's done. Cheers.